Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World Videos. In our today's lecture, we will discuss natural gas and its uses, methane, physical properties, its chemical properties and uses of methane, and methane and greenhouse effect. Natural gas. Natural gas is a fossil fuel and it is found above crude oil in oil wells. Natural gas is a mixture of lower hydrocarbons. The main component of natural gas is methane, which is 90%, and a small amount of ethane, propane and butane. It is considered to be an ideal fuel due to the following reasons. It burns with a smokeless blue flame. It is a green fuel since on burning it does not produce any toxic product such as carbon monoxide. No ash is left after its burning. It has a very high calorific value, that is 55,000 kilojoule per meter cube. Uses of natural gas. It is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is used for the manufacture of carbon black, which is used as a filler in tire industry and for making printers ink and black paints. And it is also used for the manufacture of hydrogen. Now, methane. Methane is the first member of the alkane series. It belongs to a group of compounds called aliphatic compounds. Among the hydrocarbons, it belongs to a group called paraffin. Methane, being a paraffin, is not very reactive. It is the simplest hydrocarbon and the molecular formula of methane is CH4. It is also called as marsh gas because it is found bubbling in marshy places where it is produced by the bacterial decomposition of vegetable matters. It is found in natural gas. It is also produced when wood, peat and coal are dry distilled. It is also found in coal mines where it forms explosive mixture with air. It is called fire damp by coal miners. It is present in small amount in the intestinal gases and the blood of men and animals. It is present in the Earth's atmosphere. Methane has a tetrahedral structure in which all the four valencies of the carbon atom are directed towards the corners of a regular tetrahedron. Sources of methane. Important sources of methane are: it occurs in natural gas. Natural gas contains 90% of methane plus small amount of ethane, propane and butane above the layer of petroleum under the earth. It is one of the chief constituents, that is around 32 to 34% of coal gas. It is a major constituent of gobar gas, sewage gas and biogas. It occurs in marshy lands where it is formed due to the microbial decomposition of vegetable and animal organic matter such as plant waste, animal dung, poultry sweeps, etc. Now, properties of methane. First, we will discuss physical properties of methane. Color and odor. Methane is a colorless, inflammable and odorless gas. Melting point and boiling point. Solid methane melts at 90 Kelvin and liquid methane boils at 111 Kelvin. Density. Methane has a density of 0.7 gram per liter at standard temperature pressure, and it is lighter than air. Air has density of 1.3 gram per liter at the standard conditions. Now solubility. It is insoluble in water and soluble in non-polar solvents such as alcohol, ether, acetone, benzene and hexane. And atmospheric methane absorbs outgoing heat radiations from Earth and contributes to the greenhouse effects. Now we will discuss chemical properties of methane. Methane is a saturated hydrocarbon and hence it does not react with oxidizing agents such as potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate, reducing agents such as sodium and acids and bases at room temperature. However, under suitable conditions, it undergoes two types of reaction, that is thermal reaction and substitution reactions. First, we will discuss thermal reactions. Reaction with oxygen. When methane is ignited in the presence of excess of air or oxygen, it burns with a bluish non-sooty flame to form carbon dioxide and water vapor with the liberation of much amount of heat, and the reaction will be like this. And if there is an insufficient supply of air or oxygen, carbon monoxide and water vapor are formed, and reaction will be twice CH4 plus thrice O2. It will give twice CO and water vapor. If supply of air or oxygen is even less, it burns with a sooty flame and gets oxidized to carbon, which is known as carbon black. Now, pyrolysis. What is pyrolysis? The process of decomposition of a compound by heat is called pyrolysis. When methane is heated at 1000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air, carbon and hydrogen are formed. When it is heated in absence of air, carbon and hydrogen are formed. The reaction with oxygen in the presence of catalyst. When a mixture of methane and oxygen in the molar ratio of 9:1 at a pressure of 200 atmosphere is passed through a copper tube at 200 degrees Celsius, methane is oxidized to methanol. And further, methanol is oxidized to methanol if excess of oxygen is used. A reaction with steam. When a mixture of methane and superheated steam is passed over a catalyst, nickel or alumina, at 750 to 1000 degrees Celsius, carbon monoxide and hydrogen are formed. Reaction of methane with ammonia. When a mixture of methane and ammonia is passed over finely powdered alumina as catalyst at 100 to 150 degrees Celsius, hydrocyanic acid and hydrogen are formed. Now, reaction with nitrogen. When a mixture of methane and nitrogen is subjected to electric spark, hydrocyanic acid and hydrogen are formed. Now, substitution reaction. A reaction in which one atom in a molecule is replaced by another more active atom or a group of atoms without disturbing the structure of the rest of the molecule is called substitution reaction. And the products of substitution reaction are known as substitution products. Methane undergoes a variety of substitution reaction. The first one is halogenation. Methane reacts with chlorine at room temperature in the presence of diffuse sunlight to successively form chloroalkanes such as chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane and tetrachloromethane. This reaction is an example of photochemical reaction. A reaction which is catalyzed by light is called photochemical reaction. This phenomenon is also called photocatalysis or photohalogenation reaction. Nitration of methane. When vapors of methane and nitric acid are heated at 500 degrees Celsius, methane undergoes substitution reaction to form nitromethane. Now we will discuss uses of methane. Methane is used as a gaseous fuel for household purposes and in industry because it provides large amount of heat. Methane is used in the manufacture of hydrogen. Methane is used in the manufacture of carbon black. Methane is used to prepare chloromethane, dichloromethane, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride and methanol. Methane is also used in the manufacture of methanol. Now methane and greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is the warming of the earth due to the absorption of heat from the surface of the earth by the gaseous molecules present in the atmosphere and not allowing the absorbed heat to pass back into the space. The greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, chlorofluorocarbons and water vapor. So methane absorbs heat from the surface of earth and this causes a rise in temperature of earth. The increase in temperature of earth leads to melting of polar ice and rise in sea level. And it has been predicted that the low-lying countries of the world will be underwater in distant future. The submerging of Dwarka, the kingdom of Lord Krishna, under sea is due to the greenhouse effect and global warming. It has been estimated that the sea level may rise by 0.5 to 1.5 meter in the next 50 to 100 years. An increase in global temperature is likely to increase the incidence of infectious diseases. Thank you for watching Edupedia World Videos.